Hello and welcome back to hardreset.info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your issues with auto brightness not working on OPPO A5x. Let's begin. And we can start with simply making sure that our auto brightness is indeed enabled. We can do that by expanding our control center. And as you can see here, we can have our brightness bar. However, did you know that you can simply click on the little sun icon to enable auto brightness? Now, of course, auto brightness went up, so you guys can barely see anything. So I will now turn it off. But you want to basically make sure that you have it enabled. If for some reason you can do that via the control center, you can always do that via settings. If you go into the settings, display and brightness, and here you have your auto brightness as well. So after you've made sure that this is enabled and somehow it's still not working, I would simply advise you to reboot your device. You can do that by pressing your power button and volume up button for a moment. And then simply restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, it does help. Rebooting your system not only reboots your software and the system, but also every single hardware piece on your phone as well, including sensors that are responsible for detecting brightness level around you and that are basically working for the auto brightness feature to work properly. So if you have any issues, make sure it's enabled, make a little restart, and you should be good to go. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.